Brad Williams, XL Prime. Section 1414, some specialized lookup formulas. We're just going to use a VLOOKUP, and then we're going to multiply whatever that lookup is by a number. Very simple. Just think of a VLOOKUP. What are we looking for? We're looking for weights between B5 and C9 in column 2 times 1. That means we want an approximate match. If we find it, we multiply it times F4. If we can't find it, it'll kick out an error. We can always add an if error function to this. We're looking for a range, an approximate. What we're going to do is we'll end up finding between 5 and 1, or is it 1 and 0? Well, we're looking 2.25 pounds. 4 times 2 is 8. We're looking for 2.25. So it's going to be between 1 and 5. It's 4. The range is between 5 and 1. And with VLOOKUP, if it's an approximate match, it will always default lower. It'll always go down to 5. We have 5 times 2.25 equals 1125. Brad Williams, XL Prime. See you soon.